Dear students, today we will solve CBSE class 10th sample paper 2024-25, and this is mainly for physics because many students of class 10th requested that, sir, please give us the solution of the CBSE sample paper also. So here I am giving you this solution of that CBSE sample paper. And question number 13. In the following cases, a ray is incident on a concave mirror, in which case is the angle of incidence equal to 0? A. A ray parallel to the principal axis. B. A ray passing through the center of curvature and incident obliquely. C. A ray passing through the principal focus and incident obliquely. D. A ray incident obliquely to the principal axis at the pole of the mirror. So now we will start question number 13. Question number 13. You keep your sample paper before you when you are watching this video. The question 13 says, in the following cases, a ray is incident on a concave mirror, in which case is the angle of incidence equal to 0? A ray parallel to the principal axis. Just see, this is the concave mirror, this is the principal axis, a ray parallel to the principal axis. So what is the normal on the plane of the concave mirror? As far as the circle is concerned, there is a line which is always perpendicular to the surface, and that is the radius, because radius is always perpendicular to the tangent, and tangent means the surface. So if this is the C, center of curvature, so this will be the normal. So this is the angle of incidence. So in this case, the angle of incidence cannot be 0. Option B, a ray passing through the center of curvature. So this is the mirror and this is the principal axis and this is the center of curvature. So if any ray is passing through the center of curvature, that means this itself is a radius. So this is 90 degrees. That means normal and the incident ray are coincident. That means they are overlapping. So at that time I equals 0. So as far as the answer is concerned, the answer is option B. So let us check option C, a ray passing through the principal focus and incident obliquely. So here you can say this is the mirror and this is the principal axis, this will be the focus, this is the center of curvature, any ray incident obliquely through the focus. So this time the center of the normal will be this one. So again here the I is not 0. And the B part, a ray incident obliquely to the principal axis at the pole. If it is here, then this is the normal also. So this is again I, which is also not 0. So this way the only option is B. This was the B, this was the A, this was the C, and this was also D. So the option B is correct. A ray passing through the center of curvature and incident obliquely will always have angle of incidence equal to 0. Question number 14. Choose the correct option for the color of rays for A and B. Diagram. The white light is incident at X, and after refraction through the glass prism, the two rays are there, A and B. So the color of A and color of B will be option A, blue and red, option B, green and yellow, option C, red and violet, option D, violet and indigo. Now question number 14. Here is a question number 14. Here is a prism. White light is incident on it and it gets dispersed. This is B and this is A. So the question is, choose the correct option for the color of rays for A and B. We know that this is vigueur. So this is A side and this is B side. So here the first he says option A is blue and red. A is blue and then red. So this cannot be because red is first. Then B is green and yellow. The green is here and then B is not here but yellow. So this is also not the correct option. C is red and violet. So red and the A is red and the V is violet. So that is correct. So the option C is correct option. And let us check D also. Violet and indigo. So violet A बोल रहा है और indigo is B. This is wrong. ये उल्टा हो जाएगा. So that means the option is C, which is correct option, because the extreme A will be the red and extreme B will be the violet, and according to the sequence should be there. So first sequence was blue, red. So this is blue and this is red. So here the order is reversed. The second was green and yellow. Green was A and yellow was B. Again the order is reversed here. And C is red and violet. C is red A and violet B. So this is the same sequence, same order. So this is correct answer. And D is violet and indigo. So violet in indigo, again the sequence is reversed. So the correct option is C. 19. Assertion is A. A convex mirror always forms an image behind it and the image formed is virtual. Reason R. According to the sign convention, the focal length of a convex mirror is positive. Question number 19. This question is of type assertion and reason. So here the assertion A is a convex mirror always forms an image behind it and the image formed is virtual. So that is absolutely correct, because whenever image is formed by a convex mirror, that is always here. If you just make it like this, so it will pass through the focus. It will appear to pass through focus like this. And if you just have a ray at the center of curvature, then you will find it will return back. So they will appear somewhere here. So the image is formed virtual behind the mirror, because the ray will not meet. They are diverging. So they will appear to meet somewhere here. So the image is virtual. And the reason is, according to the sign convention, the focal length of the convex mirror is positive. So focal length is this. So incident light is this. So the distances along the incident light are taken as positive. So this is true. So A is true as well as B, the R is also true. But the reason is not the correct explanation of A. So option B is the correct answer. So A and R both true, but R is not correct explanation. of A. So this is the option B. यहाँ virtual, the image is virtual, that is absolutely correct, and the focal length is also positive, but this doesn't mean that the image will be found virtual because of only positive होने से. So both A and R are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation. Question number 24. The figure shows the formation of an image by a lens shown by a thick line. Analyze the figure and answer the following questions. A. What is the type of lens used? B. What is the nature of the image? C. If the image is formed at a distance of 30 cm from the lens and the image is twice the size of the object, then where is the object placed? Question number 24. Here is the lens which has been shown by a dark line. Analyze the figure and answer the following questions. The first A is, what is the type of lens used? As you see, this ray which is parallel to the principal axis is being converged to the focus. So that means this is the lens which is converging lens, that is convex lens. Convex lens, because it is converging the rays which are parallel to the principal axis, because this ray cannot say, because it will be going straight away in case of the concave as well as the convex. So with the help of this ray you can identify, and that is the converging lens, which is convex lens, or you can say converging lens. The B, what is the nature of the image? So as you see, these rays are diverging here, they are spreading, so they cannot meet, so they will meet somewhere behind the lens, here behind the object. So these rays are appearing to meet, they are not actually meeting. So whenever the rays are appearing to meet, the nature of the image is virtual. So the image is virtual image. And C, third part, if the image is formed at the distance of 30 centimeter, that means this distance is 30 centimeter. That means here V is minus 30 centimeter. So he says, what is the value of U? One more condition is there. The size of the object image is twice the size of the object. That means magnification is +2. That means size of the image upon size of the object equals to 2. That is m equals to 2. That is positive. This upon this. Both are in the same side. So according to sign convention also, the m is positive. So here we say m is equal to size of the image upon size of object. That is, you can say hi, you can write hi upon ho, whatever you write, or I upon o, what you suits you, that is equal to m, that is +2, and that is equals to v by u. So here 2 equals to v by u, so u will be equals to v by 2, that v is minus 30 upon 2, that is minus 15 centimeters. So the object is placed at 15 centimeters from the lens. Just see once again the C part. A is very clear, it is convex because the ray is converging. B is, as the ray are not actually meeting, but they are appearing to meet, so it is the virtual image. And C, that the image is formed at a distance of 30 centimeter from the lens, that means V equal to minus 30 centimeter, and it is given that the size of the image is double of the image size of the object. So this M is positive 2, that is I upon O is equal to plus 2 or 2. So we know that M equal to size of the image upon size of the object, that is Hi upon Ho or I upon O, whatever you call it, that is plus 2. And we also know that M equal to V by U in case of the lens. So therefore here 2 equals to V by U. So U equals to V by 2, that V, replacing the value of V with minus 30 upon 2, then it gets, we get minus 15 centimeter. So U equals to minus 15 centimeter.